Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are folding bed sheets. We are gonna be learning how to fold a fitted sheet the Marie Kondo way, also known as the KONMARI method. I'm gonna show you how to make this look pretty. I know it doesn't look pretty now, but by the end it's gonna look so neat, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. And I'm also gonna throw in the regular sheet, whatever this is called, and also the pillowcase. So let's go ahead and get started. So you want to work on a flat surface area because we're gonna need all this space, and it just makes it so much easier to fold on. So I'm working on my bed, so that would probably be my suggestion. Anyways, I'm gonna start with a fitted sheet. I think it's the one that intimidates all of us the most. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll show you how easy it is. So first thing you want to do is just lay it out flat. I am folding my son's full-size sheet, but this can be done on any size sheet, king, queen, twin, whatever you got. It works all the same. It's just, this is the one I have right now. So what I'm doing is flattening it out as much as possible. Part of Marie Kondo's method is reducing bulk. So you want less bulk everywhere. That's why I want to make sure it's nice, like get it as neat as possible. And once you're done that, sorry, you're gonna keep seeing me in and out. So you take these corners here, these two, and you're gonna bring them in. You will tuck this corner into this corner, just like so. As you are tucking, you are straightening it out as well. You're trying to make it as symmetrical as possible. So then again, this side, tuck it into there and straighten it as much as possible. Just like that. So as you can see, this side is a little flat, right? And this one is a bit bulky, so her method is to try to even things out. So we're going to take this side and fold it up over here to add a little bit of weight, just like that. And then you're going to take this side and bring it over, just like so. And you want to get as much air out as possible. So once you've straightened it out as much as possible, we are going to try to fold this into a square, as much of a square as you can get it to look. So you want to roll it over and flatten it out as much as you can. Roll over again, just like that. And you just keep going as much as you can to make it into a square, or in my case it doesn't look like a square, but it's pretty neat and it looks nothing like a fitted sheet. It just looks so much better folded this way. So I'll get you up close and show you. That's how it looks like. Pretty neat. Okay, so now to the pillowcase. Same concept. You want to flatten it out as much as you can, and then you want to fold it over this way, taking the air out as much as you can, and then over again this way, and then you want to fold it into thirds to make it look even and pretty, just like that. And then once you're done, you're gonna have something like this. Now to the flat sheet. This one, it's taking a lot of space here. This one is the easy one to do. So you wanna straighten it out. Taking pretty much all my bed. Okay, so you want to fold the sheet over one time, like that, just from one corner to the other. It's so tricky because it's so long, but you want to do the best as you can. Just like that. And once you have it as straight as possible, we're gonna do the same method we did with the pillowcase, and we're gonna fold it over one time like this. And then we're gonna bring this side over, just like so. Perfect, just like that. And once you have it nice and neat like this, what we're gonna do is put our fitted sheet and our pillowcase on the flat sheet, because we're trying to create a little package, a neat packed package, because it's all about organization and you want to get it as neat as possible. So I'm gonna put it here. Now down here is part of my sheet, so I'm gonna bring this over just like that. Just don't forget to straighten out as you go. Then I'm gonna fold all of this over to create one neat package here, just like that. So straighten it out. Like I said, her method is about reducing bulk, and that's just exactly what you want. And then you roll it over like that, and this is what you get at the end, all put together. So when you go in your linen closet, everything is all together and just ready to go.